Hello students, hope you all are fine. Welcome back to yet another maths class. In today's maths class, we will be learning a new topic, that is ascending order. Do you know what is ascending order? Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order, which means when we count numbers from small to big, it is called ascending orders. I repeat, when we count numbers from small to big, we call it ascending order. In today's video, I will help you to learn the concept of ascending order with the help of the chart which I have drawn here. As you can see here, I have drawn a chart which is showing numbers from 1 to 10. The numbers written in this chart are written in increasing order. That means from small number to big number. The first number is 1, next is 2, 1 is smaller than 2, then comes 3, 2 is smaller than 3, then 4, 3 is smaller than 4, then 5, 4 is smaller than 5, then 6, 5 is smaller than 6, then 7, 6 is smaller than 7, then 8, 7 is smaller than 8, 9, 8 is smaller than 9, and 10, 9 is smaller than 10. And in this chart, the big number is 10. So, this is called ascending order or increasing order. The numbers starting from small digit and ending to the big digit. Small numbers to big numbers. Increasing order or ascending order. Now, to clearly understand the concept, we will solve some examples here. Here you can see are some examples. The first two examples are written with single digit number. And example number 3, number 4 and number 5 have been written following the 2-digit number. So, let's get started. How to solve the ascending order? We will solve this ascending order exercise with the help of the chart which is drawn here, following the concept of ascending order. Example number 1. 4, 7, 2 and 1. So here are 4 numbers. So from these 4 numbers, we will start from the smallest one. So can you tell me which is the smallest number from the 4 numbers? The smallest number is 1. So first we will write 1. Then we will give a comma. What is the second number? 2. In the chart, 1 comes before and 2 comes after 1. So the second small number is 2, comma. Which is the third small number? 4. First comes 4, then comes 7. So the smallest number after 2 will be 4. And lastly, 7. So 1, 2, 4 and 7. This we have arranged in the ascending order. Example number 2. 6, 3, 8, 5. So which is the smallest number? As you can see in this chart, 3 is the smallest. Then comes 5. So the first smallest number in example number 2 is 3. Then comes which number? We have written down the 3. Now out of 6, 8 and 5, which is the smallest number? 5. First comes 5, then comes 6. So 5, comma, then 6. And the last number in example number 2 is 8. Here, as you can see in the flowchart, 8. So 8 is the biggest number in example number 2. Now example number 3. 16, 22, 13 and 10. Now students, you will be thinking, in this chart which I have drawn, the numbers are showing from numbers 1 to 10. But in example number 3, I have given here numbers 16, 13, 22. So how will you solve it? Now let me help you understand or learn a trick how you will do ascending order with 2-digit number. While doing ascending order in 2-digit number, we will always see the first digit in the number. Suppose in number 16, which is the first digit? Number 1. Then is 6. So it is making the number 16. The first digit in the number 16 is 1. The first digit in number 22 is 2. The first digit in number 13 is 1. Again, in number 10, which is the first digit? Right, the first digit is 10. So, let us solve now. 16, 22, 13 and 10. Now out of these 4 numbers, how we will understand which is the smallest? As 16, in number 16, first digit is 1. 13 first digit is 1 and in number 10 also the first digit is 1. So students, one more trick will help you to understand or do ascending order when you see the first digit numbers are same. When you see that the first digit digit are same in few numbers, then you should always concentrate or go for the second digit of that number. Suppose in number 16, the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 6. Number 13, first digit is 1 and the second digit is 3. Number 10, first digit is 1 and the second digit is 0. So now from 16 we will take 6, from 13 we will take 3 and from 10 we will take 0. And now from this 6, 3 and 0, we will find out which is the smallest. Which number comes first? 6 in 16, 3 in 13 or 0 in 10? Right, the first smallest number comes 10. Next smallest number, let us see the chart again. 3. Then comes 6. So 3 is smaller than 6. So after 10, the smallest number is 13. Then after 13, which is the smallest number? As we have seen the chart, it will be 6. So 16. And students, can you say which is the biggest number in example number 3? Yes, you are right. Number 22 is the biggest. Now let us move on to example number 4. 34, 28, 45 and 66. Now students, example number 44 is not same like example number 3. Because in example number 44 you can see all the digits in every number are different. So you don't have to follow the trick which I have taught you while solving example number 3. So example number 4, we will take all the first digit in the numbers. From 34 we will take the first digit, that is 3. From 28 we will take the first digit, that is 2. From 45, 4, and from 66 the first digit 6. Now 3, 2, 4 and 6. Out of these 4 numbers we will find out which is the smallest, and according to that the full number from these all numbers we will find out which is the smallest number. 3, 2, 4 and 5. So which number is coming first, or which number is the smallest while seeing the flow chart? Number 2. Then comes number 3. Then comes number 4 and lastly comes number 6. So, did you understand, students? This method is so easy in understanding ascending order. So the first number, smallest number in example number 4 will be 2 from the chart. So the number will be 28. Comma. Now can you tell me which is the second smallest number? Yes, you are right. 34, as the first number is 3 and 3 is bigger than 2 and 2 is smaller than 3. So then the number will come 34. Next number? Right, 45. And lastly, 66. I think, students, this method of understanding and solving ascending order is very helpful for you. Now let us do the last example. 73, 20, 90 and 51. Students, in example number 5, 2 second digit of 2 numbers are same. I repeat, second digit of 2 numbers are same. Second digit means the number which is coming after the first digit. In 20, the second digit is 0, and in 90, the second digit is also 0. So how you will solve when the second digit of 2 or more numbers is coming 0? Now, the same trick we will apply as we have applied while solving example number 3. Now, see example number 5, how will I solve it? The trick is that in example number 3, we have taken the first digit of the numbers. Which numbers are coming same? The first digit of these 3 numbers, 16, 13 and 10 are coming same. So, we have left those numbers. We did not take those numbers. We have taken the second digit of the 3 numbers. From 16, 6, from 13, 3 and from 10, 0. So taking the second digit of the numbers, we have easily solved example number 3 following the chart here. Now in example number 5, as in both these numbers, the second digit is same, we will take the first digit and we will not take the second digit. Now see how I am doing. Firstly, let us see how the first digit of these 4 numbers come. 73, first digit 7. 20, first digit 2. 90, first digit 9. And 51, first digit 5. So first of all, let us take the first digit of each numbers. 7, 3, 9 and 5 from 51. So, which is the smallest number? Let us see. 73, 7 from 22 or 9 from 90 or 5 from 51. So, let us see the chart. 2. The first number which is coming is 2. So, 20. Next small number, 20 completed, 73, 90 and 51. Let us see. After 2 which number is coming? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, that means 51. After 51, 6, 7. 7 is coming. 5 is smaller than 7. 7 is bigger than 5. So 7. 7 means 73. And lastly comes 90, as 9 is the largest number or the biggest number in example number 5. So students, I hope you have understood clearly the concept of ascending order following some simple and very easy steps or methods or process. Practice doing the same. Thank you.